out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to all my YouTube and Patreon channel members. We appreciate all the business and support from each and every one of you. We know without you, we wouldn't be here at Donkey Stomper Products. I'm sure we got a lot to work with here before we get it all straightened out, but we're getting a good start here. One thing about it, I can't zoom on the camera when I'm done recording, so. This is 2x8, old school Donkey Stomper. This thing's got a HG-2X8-29Cs in it, it's running 15 volts, and the C's are the 20 DO8s. Gentleman that owns this, and let you know, it's probably the last time if it comes back, you'll be putting 8 to 10 new transistors in it, probably to all of them. Because they have come with the 24 DO8s, and they just don't mix too good. So we'll be making a video about that here in a little bit. Alrighty guys, let's get up on our watt meters and see what we can do with this. I don't know. We'll try it. Alright guys, we'll start looking at input SWR, right hand small meter, radio drive. Hello worldwide. Oh, it's queued up. On standby, worldwide. No input SWR at all, straight through. Turn on input SWR, 1, 2, 3, just a little bit. Output PEP, worldwide, wide. Get on down, 1, 2, 3. Working my old school 2x8 C-box. Donkey Stomper, getting on down. Break. Alright, let's go over to our outdoor dummy low. Check that one time. See what we can do here. Hang on just a minute. You probably have to see my ugly mug change it. Yeah, okay, we're on the outdoor dummy load. Be reading our LP over here on the left. See what she's doing. Worldwide outdoor dummy load. Get on down. Colossal outdoor dummy load. So we're doing 2000 peak and some change. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, come in. Of course, them meters fluctuate a little bit. She got SWR 1.03. Hello, output SWR, worldwide. It depends on where the meter catches it too. See, as it goes up and down, the meter catches it, but there it is, guys. Repair review on the old Donkey Stomper 2x8. We'll try to play around with it, see if we can get back down in there on it. Let you go a little more. I'll have to learn this, guys, so you guys have to bear with me and see how this all works out. It will take me some time to get the video down and the camera adjustment down, but the audio will be clear. It won't be shaking everywhere. Should be able to understand what I'm saying. Alrighty guys, that's it. One more time for the March of Dimes. Get on down. We appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10. 018 Boo is Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.